Alright, today we're going to take a look at a couple of nice little padlocks that I was sent. And today's video is brought to us by Ice Station Zebra. Stars one of my favorite actors, Patrick McGowan, along with Ernie Borgnine. Let's see, Ernie Borgnine. There's Jim Brown over there, and Rock Hudson, of course. Pretty good movie. So let's take a look at these locks that I got in. Now they're kind of odd because I've never seen a lock with a brass shackle before. These are just more like a novelty lock. And they all came with 2 keys, and they're made by Sidorti 40mm. They're pretty thin. They work okay, but one thing I noticed about them, they have a really small keyway. Show you what I mean. That's the keyway, and the keyway for a regular size lock is like that big, so it's like half size. Kind of difficult to stick your pick in there, so I'm not even going to pick it, but I did find a way to unlock these using this is a 7-inch wire cutter, something that's easily concealed. And I did take one of these apart already with this little wire cutter. I did it off camera, but this is the result. That brass shackle just cuts really easy. I'm not going to cut another one up because they're just a novelty, but they're nice to have around. And another thing that I got in was another one of these bars, these troy ounce bars, and this one is titanium. This is titanium bullion. There's the Buffalo 999 fine, 1 troy ounce. It's got the buffalo on the front. It's got the buffalo on the back. And it's very similar to the aluminum troy ounce, except it's a little bit thinner because the aluminum is a lot lighter. You can see it's a lot thinner. And one thing I noticed, which is a good thing, they're still putting "In God We Trust." Hard to read, but "In God We Trust" is still on there. "In God We Trust." United States of America. So that's a good thing on the bullion. And if you're going to buy a brass padlock, get a substantial one like this. This is a commando lock. This is a huge lock. Some of them are easy to get into and some of them are not, but this is a much better choice than this little bitty brass lock. So I'm going to give the 1 troy ounce of titanium a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.